Hello everyone, welcome to Dharmishta Ma'am's channel. Dear friends, today I will discuss with you about motivation. Sometimes we face failures in our life, so we need motivation to move forward. So friends, the biggest source of motivation are your own thoughts. So think big and motivate yourself to win. Dear friends, so today I am going to discuss with you a very great story about Hungarian shooter Karoly Takix. In 1938, there was a man in Hungarian army named Karoly who was the best pistol shooter of his country. He won most of the major national and international championship. He seemed closest to winning the 1940 Tokyo Olympic gold medal, and that was his only dream, for which he had practiced for years. He wanted to make his hand the best shooting hand in the world. But all the dreams turned to dust one day. In 1938, in an army training camp, in an unfortunate accident, one hand grenade exploded in Karoly's right hand. His shooting hand, that grenade ended up his Olympic dreams as well, the only goal of his life. He had two ways: to kneel down to life and cry for the rest of his life, or he would focus back on his dreams with a small light of hope. After 1 year, in 1939, Karoly went to a national shooting championship in his country. His colleagues were delighted to see him and complimented him on his courage to come up at the championship to cheer them. But Karoly answered that he is not there to cheer for them, but to compete with them. To compete them with his only hand. He had practiced for complete 1 year with his left hand, and he won the championship. He focused on what he had, not what he has lost, but he didn't stop there. His focus was to become the first shooting hand of the world and to win the Olympic gold medal. Started training again with his only hand. Concentrated his whole energy on 1940 Olympics. Got cancelled due to World War II. He was 28 years of age in 1938, and in 1948 he was 38 years old. It was hard to compete with the new players, but that didn't stop him. He went there. Best shooters from all over the world were competing with their best hands. He was the only one competing with his only hand. And the man with the only hand won. Karoly Takix. In 1952 Olympics, he won gold again. Dear friends, at the end of the story, we learn that if we want to achieve our dreams or goals, we should never give up. Thank you.